Hey everyone, this is Albert again from Brooks Law Firm. I'm a personal injury attorney here, but sometimes I do workers' comp. And today I'm talking about the effect and a little bit of information about what workers' comp lump sum settlements are. So typically in a workers' comp case, when you're out of work and you have a doctor's note to support your being out of work, you're entitled to weekly checks equal to 60% of your average weekly wage, as well as having all of your medical treatment paid for. These benefits are paid to you weekly on a periodic basis until you return back to work. A lump sum settlement, on the other hand, is just an alternative way to pay you your workers' comp benefits in a one-time payment rather than in weekly benefits. The lump sum settlement is embodied in a contract basically between you, your employer, sometimes your employer, and the insurance company. In most cases, lump sum settlements will also allow you to seek future reasonable and necessary treatment. So it's not like accepting a lump sum settlement will automatically cut off the treatment that you have paid for under workers' comp. And there are benefits to having a lump sum settlement. At times, the lump sum amount might constitute more money than a person may receive rather than the total amount of their weekly checks. It might be in a better position for you to accept a lump sum than to accept the weekly benefits. In some situations, the attorney might get paid more as a result of the lump sum settlement, but at Brooks Law Firm, we don't take that into account. If it makes better sense for you to get your weekly checks, even if that means us taking a pay cut, we'll always advise you to take the weekly benefits. A good workers' compensation attorney will always look at the cost benefit of taking a lump sum versus the weekly benefits, provide you with your options, and sort of decide what's best in your position. There are several factors that apply, so every case is different, and it's important to speak at length with your attorney so that you are making an informed decision when it comes to whether or not to take a lump sum settlement. Of course, lump sum settlements are always not given in any workers' compensation case. Depending on the complexity of your case, sometimes they're provided, sometimes they're not. It all depends on several external factors that might be outside of your specific case as well. Once a lump sum settlement is agreed upon, the attorney will then provide documentation to the other side. The other side will approve it, and then they'll submit it to a judge for administrative review and approval. You might have to appear at what's called a lump sum settlement conference. Because of COVID, you might just have to do it remotely. It's a fairly straightforward conference between you, the insurance company, and the judge, just approving the settlement and making sure you understand the terms. After that, the insurance company has 14 days to provide you with the money after the approval is stamped, and then that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about workers' compensation, personal injury, or immigration now that we're doing, feel free to call Brooks Law Firm at 617-245-8090. Our experienced attorneys are looking forward to advocating your interests. Thank you.